Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, my apologies for delaying, but I am here. Izingani zesithembu. Hey guys, okay, let us start ngobaba uMseleku. Ubaba uMseleku utata wesithembu. Si-acceptile ukuthi ukhona ngene ngitholokho sibuzana ukuthi ufunani. Huyo oqale le concept akaqhubeke nayo. Okay fine. Aye eJoburg ayovakashela abantwana bakhe ahlangane nolwandle athi ulwandle ambizele umtiritiri abiza uTirelo. He wants to say something to uTirelo. Right. Abiza uTirelo and then they spoke ngoTirelo. uTirelo spoke about indaba yakhe yamalobolo. But before we get to that, uTirelo ngisho had intonyana yetennis asingeneni kuleyo. So after they played that tennis thing of theirs, uTirelo noSibindi, they had a chat. The chat was revolving around indaba yamalobolo, right? And uTirelo, apologies for that, my phone is ringing off the hook. Now uTirelo is asking a question that she deems valid, and I'm saying she deems valid for a reason, and you'll get me ukuthi why ngithini. She's asking a question ukuthi uzolobola wena umuntu ofike after mina, meaning ukuthi mina you don't take me serious, because if ekhaya they are saying no, when you should wait for them until they are ready and then you do what needs to be done. And I agree noSibindi ngento one. Ekhaya kibo, they're saying they are not accepting the lobola because they are skeptical. Now you don't know when people will stop being skeptical, and at this point, uSibindi is not going to be a different person just to make sure ukuthi they are no longer skeptical. So it means ukuthi they are gonna be skeptical until Jesus comes back. Right. So now here's my thing with this direction. Right. Ugello umtiritir. uTirelo, she told uVuyokazi where to get off. As athi ungaliswa relationship yakho because of indaba yama position, wena kahle kahle ukwatiswa yiposition more than anything. And uVuyokazi was, yes, ngiyangikwatisa indaba position because I was here first and I don't understand. And uTirelo was like, no, whether unamba bani, it does not matter. The most important thing is that when you are with this guy. Now herself, with her very own mouth, this season, she was saying that last season, right? So this season, now it's easier to advise a person from a place of privilege, because then she never thought ukuthi she would be number one. She was sure ukuthi vele uVuyokazi uyozoba number one, and she was uSibindi's BFF. So whether a position iti mchila number one, it did not matter. So now it matters because it's no longer suiting the narrative that she was preaching at that time. Now the balls have turned, the roles have turned. It means ukuthi now she's feeling exactly what uVuyokazi was saying. But now here's the problem. Girl cannot admit in her bone of bones ukuthi I want to be the only one or I want to be the one above. Injalo nje. So now makabizwa ubaba uMseleku umtirara. Bamuseluka mbize kukhulunywe, right? There umuntu beka umuntu emotional. Girl was so emotional. Girl nje akhala athi uSibindi uyathanda uSibindi and uSibindi uyazi, and therefore it looks like he's taking advantage of that, and there will come a time where she does not love him like that, and then uzomiyeka. Ubaba uMseleku wambuza ukuthi girl, when available usho ukuthi you are the specialist out of them all, ayisebenzi kanjalo lento. And I appreciated uMseleku. I know ukuthi a lot are going to bash him, but I appreciated him for giving uTirelo a wake up call to say, yes, when I know Sibindi you were BFFs, yes, when I know Sibindi you were able to talk about things that uSibindi no Vuyokazi could not speak about. But now you are out in the desert, and uSibindi is doing the very same thing that he did to uVuyokazi to you. Now ukhuluma nomunye umuntu and awusaphathe kahle. Now uyolobola umunye umuntu and wena uthi ngeke. Uthi kunokuthi alotsholo angamane abe yi girlfriend, guys. Leyo ngifuna ukuthi ngiyisho kaningi, let it sink in. kunokuthi angalotshelwa usibindi abe number 2 angamane abe u-girlfriend. Like inkinga ine-position akusumtirara ungasho kanjalo. Like everybody can say it, like not her. She cannot. And even if she comes and say, hey, scripted, hey, what, hey, we don't care. Tina sikubone ukhalela position, ukhalela ukuba umamkhulu, right? Okay, sharp. Then they continued. Abongwe did them some nice lunch there, kumnandi kuyodliwa before ubaba khona ahamba, right? On the table they then discussed indaba ka Sibindi futhi. Usibindi basathi bakhuluma indaba yakhe noTirelo, akhuluma oba umselo kamtshela ukuthi uTirelo ukuthi ngathi akasathandi, yabona sekakhathele man eshem ugowishile ugele. Usibindi athi yavele uzosho kanjalo ukuthi akasakhathali ngoba ugele uyaphuza, usine uyamphuzisa. Ne? Usine uyamphuzisa kanje. How? uAbongwe asiphe iperspective ku diary room. Athi uAbongwe ikhulunyiwe lento kwasho yena umtirara. Kwasho yena uTirelo ukuthi guys, we are not going to say anything about my drinking. We're not going to mention it. It's just going to remain between us. How they honored their develop because nabo abafuna ukuthi basoloko batshelwa umsele ukuthi hey ungaphuzi legacy what bayenzani bathi do buza ngwanyana hafihla ko the bosom of Abraham kosifube ngisesifuthumetsing sasibindi impumelelo umseleko adinta hebe ngiphuza eglassini ngabani ungena apho ukuthi bophuza aphi mina ngithi even if bekanuki alcohol she should have denied because at this point they are making usine umuntu omubi. I loved how Usine responded. Usine responded, covered herself, spoke about herself. She did not include Abongwe Nabompilo in this conversation. Now that's how you deal with it. You talk about when your contribution awusnichi kulapha and yabona ubigele nje uyangichaza nje usine yazini the new Sne, I'm loving her. So with that said, imthene off ke umpumelelo lento yakuthi ugele sekayaphuza ngingazi ke ukuthi umpumelelo na akaphuzi na. I don't know, I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure ukuthi uyaphuza or akaphuzi. But ke it means ukuthi uTirelo might lose futhi furthermore ukuba Mrs. Mseloko because yena uyambombosa. So now on the same day umseloko wakhuluma ngelifa lakhe vele. Yabona ukuthi umseloko kumele angene ngoba ifa lakhe vele leli. Asho ukuthi you know what guys, if you guys are drinking alcohol like this and you guys are drunkards, I'm worried ukuthi who am I going to leave my things with because I don't want my things to go to waste. How uLwandle wafaka contribution wathi uLwandle mawusho izinto le usho neimoto na wathi yes into yonke ethengwe yimi. Remember vele yena uzobuza indaba yemoto ngoba yena wayishayisa washayisa imoto wathi gijing imoto. So akazi ukuthi bekabuzela phezulu kwaleyo perspective or bekabuzela like under something else. But umseleko wathi everything ethi mina wengiyisebenzele and therefore vele ngizokhuluma ngayo yonke into. And considering ukuthi mina angibuthupi, I would prefer ukuthi abantu engibashiya nento zami bangabuthupi so that they take care of my things. Ukubuthupa guys is to drink. Ne? So here's the thing, here's the question. Umseleko uyedivide kanjani ilelo lifa lelo? And I like how uMpilo said, I am doing my own thing. I don't want ukuthi ngimele ifa lomuntu ukuthi umuntu makashona nyotholani. Mina ngifuna ukuzenzela into yami so that even if he's out of the picture, even if God reminds him, God remembers him, mina nguMpilo right. So uzobabela kanjani lo baba? And then the money that he has, how much is it? Guys, we want to know what's happening. We want to know how his net worth, and then after knowing his net worth, we want to know how is he going to distribute it. But ugele wethu uTirelo hayi uyagowisha isizini yakhe lena ushana ngamabonda, and no matter what she can say, she will not say or do anything to convince us otherwise. From now on, we see her as uTirelo who is desperate for a man, but advising other people not to be desperate for men, like the motivational speakers on TikTok. That's before shy. This is your girl, Disable D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.